Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Okay, so today we're going to start a lesson on literary devices. Can anybody tell me what those are?
Me.
Even a guess? Yeah.
Like, could it be like a simile and metaphor?
Exactly, that's what it is. Okay, and I'm going to write the definition on the board. So like what Hannah said, that's exactly right. It's an example of a simile, a metaphor, and I've given you guys a list of 20 of them. So whenever we read books in the future, you'll be able to pick these out of your books. Okay, can anybody give me any definitions of those? Any guesses? Yeah.
The setting is where the story takes place.
Exactly. Yes.
Isn't satire a story making fun of something?
Yes, perfect. Okay, now the point of this lesson is that so you guys will understand what literary devices are and how they're used in literature. So I'm going to be giving you guys examples so you can pick them out whenever you're actually reading novels. Okay, now here is the finalized list of all the literary devices that you guys will be kind of playing with today. We're going to go over these as a class so we can kind of get an idea. Conflict, like what Allison said, it's the main conflict in literature, like good versus evil. A flashback. Can anybody tell me what a flashback is? Do you want to read it for me? Yeah.
The author depicts the occurrence of specific events to the reader which have taken place before the present time the narration is following, or events that have happened before the events that are currently unfolding in the story.
Okay, so anyone want to tell me what that is in normal terms? Yeah.
It's like if someone mentions something they saw like in a dream or that it's already happened to them, but it is relevant to what you're talking about now.
Exactly, perfect. Okay, now that we went over all of these terms, we're going to play a little game. And you guys are going to use your list of definitions to be able to come up with the examples in the app that we're playing. You guys can work in pairs. Okay, the app that we're using is called Quizlet, and it has all the terms that we just went over right up here. But on each side next to it, it has an example of what we're talking about. So you guys are going to use one of these top three things. It says cards, learn, or match. So the cards part of it are flashcards. You can use them to really get an idea of what they mean. Lesson is where you're going to be tested on them. So if you guys want to play flashcards and matching first and then try the lesson, you can. And then matching is obviously you have the definition and then you match it with the right word. All right? So you guys can go ahead and play this. Use this list and definition to help you with it. If you have any questions, then just let me know.
What? Or outward, yeah.
Illusion.
Oh.
This one's our foil.
See that two at once.
Because he's telling us the movie constantly references that flashback.
No Elson setting. His old man.
Okay, now that we went over the examples, it's time for us to play the review game. Because you guys know it. You're experts, right?
Yeah.
Of course. Okay, now you guys know how to play with clickers, right? You don't mess with all the buttons. I'm sure you guys are old enough to realize that. You're ninth graders, so you know. Okay, now, put your sheets away.
Oh no.
I'm gonna see if you guys really know it. Alright? Now, which one is an illusion? A story or visual image with a second distinct meaning, partially hidden behind its literal or visible meaning. B, an indirect or passing reference to some event, person, place, or artistic work. Or C, a term used to describe universal symbols that evoke deep and sometimes unconscious responses in the reader. So all in all, you guys did a good job. I'm proud of you guys for working through today and being able to figure out the examples during your game and figure out the review afterwards. I know that it's only been one day, but I want you guys to review it for homework. Just look over it again, maybe put in your mind a little bit, and then we'll work on it again tomorrow whenever we start our novel.